Well, after years of Republican opposition, the North Carolina Senate gave a bill to expand Medicaid the green light. And right now, our chief political correspondent, Emma Withrow, joins us live. Emma, just how soon can we expect to see this get rolled out?
All right, so far this bill to expand Medicaid's only passed through the North Carolina Senate, not quite the House yet. But if it does pass through both chambers, health experts tell me that this would definitely aid in lowering those costs that we've seen, not just here in North Carolina, but across the country.
So from the standpoint of opening up Medicaid access early on, to me, it's advantageous just because there's an opportunity for people that typically wouldn't go in to seek health care preventatively.
That's Mike Vanderbaan, the Chief Strategy Officer for Starmount Healthcare. Vanderbaan thinks the expansion of Medicaid would alleviate some of the rising healthcare cost issues some North Carolinians are facing. According to experts, national spending on healthcare grew to $4.2 trillion in 2020, which adds up to be about $12,500 a person. That number is expected to grow to $6.2 trillion by 2028.
I think it's across the board a positive thing. North Carolina for a long time, I think it's one of maybe 10 or 11 states that haven't expanded Medicaid. So there is a huge need for it.
North Carolina Senator Mike Woodard is supportive of expanding Medicaid throughout the state, but thinks there's still more work to be done.
Some counties don't have midwives and ophthalmologists and psychiatrists, particularly when you move into the rural parts of the state where you have a shortage of specialties, which forces patients to come to cities like Raleigh and Charlotte and Durham to get their care, and they don't have direct care in their county. So that's number one. We got to address the shortage of medical professionals across the state.
So if this bill passes through the North Carolina House, it would provide health insurance to about 600,000 lower-income North Carolinians. Now, speaking of health care coverage and these rising health care costs, former Chief Justice of North Carolina, Cheri Beasley, also a U.S. Senate candidate, is here in Charlotte today. She's right here at Freedom Park. We're going to head over there, and she's hosting an event to talk about these rising health care costs. She's going to listen to the stories of people who've been dealing with this in our area. So we'll have a live report for you on that at 6. But for now, live in Charlotte, Emma Withrow, Queen City News.